Hey friends, welcome back to Upload Editing Hacks 3. And for today's video is going to be a requested video that a subscriber actually requested. She said, how do you use a green screen? Now this is really easy, but I want to show you guys. So first off, what you actually want to do is make your own green screen, or you can either get the green screen from someone. Just give credit for the person that you're giving it to, that you're getting the green screen from. So basically, you have to have a green screen. Once you go to green screen, you have to buy Fused. Fused app is free itself, but you have to buy the how do you call it, what's this called? The blending modes. I purchased it already, but if you want the no hates and no of those and no watermarks saying made by Fused, you just have to pay $1. But I don't have money on my iTunes card, so basically I have to buy myself a new one. So basically, once you purchase blending modes, you're going to apply the video that you want, the background video. I'm just going to pick the Calscope, and then you're going to go to the green screen that you actually have. So I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to check, and then you're going to go to Chrome key and just correct the size. Like if you want it to be like that, it could be like that. It could be like that, or you can just either do this. But I feel like this is more better. But yeah, that's how you do green screens. You can do green screens a lot, like different ways, which is really fun, I believe. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give this a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!